everyone, my name is Megha Sadhav and I am going to give a presentation on design filter using GUI. My team members are Aditya Deshpande and Sushant Padi. These are the index. This problem statement. First is designing the filters using GUI in MATLAB. The aim of the project was to study GUI in MATLAB. What is filter? In signal processing, a filter is a device or process that removes some unwanted components or features from a signal. Filtering is a class of signal processing. Most often, this means removing some frequencies or frequency band. The filters are widely used in electronic and telecommunication, like in radio, television, audio recording, radar control system, music synthesis, image processing, and computer graphics. There are many different basic classifications of filters that are nonlinear, linear, time variant, time invariant, casual, non-casual, digital, and analog. What is digital filter? In a signal processing, a digital filter is a system that performs mathematical operations on a sampled, discrete time signal or reduce, enhance certain aspect of the signal. This is the contrast to the other major type of electronic filter, the analog filter, which is typically an electronic circuit operating on continuous time analog signal. The main DSP operation is digital signal filtering, that is the change of characteristic of an input digital signal into an output digital signal with more desirable properties. The system that performs this task are called as digital filter. The application of digital filters including the removal of the noise or interference passing the certain frequency components and rejection of others, shaping of a signal spectrum and so forth. A digital filter is a system that performs mathematical operation on a discrete and sample time signal. These are two categories of digital filter, the recursive filter and non-recursive filter. These are often referred to as infinite impulse response, that is IIR filter, and infinite impulse response, that is FIR filter, respectively. What is IIR filter? IIR filters are one of two primary type of digital filters used in digital signal processing application. The advantages of IIR filter can achieve an given filtering characteristic using less memory and calculation than a similar FIR filter. In general, IR filters are able to approximate a prescribed frequency response with fewer multiplications than FIR filter. For that matter, IR filters can be more suitable for some practical applications, easily those involving real-time signal processing. These are types of IR filter. There's a Butterworth filter, Chebyshev filter, elliptic filter, and Bessel filter. This is GUI. GUI means a graphical user interface. A callback is a function that you associate with a specific GUI component or with the GUI figure. It controls component behavior by performing some action in response to an event for that component. MATLAB invokes the callback in response to an approximate event. For example, suppose a GUI has a button that triggers the plotting of some data. When the user clicks the button, MATLAB calls the callback to associate with clicking that button, and the callback then gets the data and plot it. GUI is done by providing initiative controls. The controls are buttons that users click to button obtain the determined output. GUI is event-driven program. This is because it acquires input at any given time and uses the callback functions to execute the program and give results. These are some screenshot of implementation. Let me show you code and implement on MATLAB. This is automatic generated code by the using GUI. When I click on the run button, then automatic window will pop-up. Then when I click on calculate, then the filter is design. This is a menu where we can perform the Butterworth high pass filter, Butterworth low pass filter, Butterworth pass band filter, and Butterworth stop band filter. When we design this, the filter program is automatic generated. It's generated by using GUI. These are some references which we are referred for this project. Conclusion: MATLAB provides a good environment for creating the GUI. This is because it automatically generates the code for the design of the GUI. The generated code also contains comments that make it easy for the programmer to understand what the code entails and to better organize to callback function. This makes the programmer's work easier and saves him or her from the bulky code. This makes MATLAB an efficient tool for creating GUI. The purpose of GUI is to create an interface to be used by everyone. This makes it an important tool for engineers implementation it in their project. Thank you.